A royal storm is brewing once again. Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, has just launched another legal fight that could rattle the walls of Buckingham Palace. This isn't just about law. It's about truth, revenge, and power. And for the first time, even insiders admit, this battle might expose what the royal family has fought hardest to keep secret. Stay tuned, as we unpack the shocking details behind Prince Harry's latest move, and why the palace is deeply concerned. To understand this new showdown, we must go back to the roots of Harry's royal rebellion. Since stepping down in 2020 with Meghan Markle, the Duke has been at the center of legal storms, from suing British tabloids to challenging government security decisions. Each case, according to royal observers, is more than just a fight for justice, it's Harry's attempt to rewrite his narrative. But this time, it's different. This latest legal challenge strikes directly at the heart of royal protocol, raising questions about transparency, privilege, and even loyalty. And the palace, sources say, is on high alert. It began with Harry's ongoing legal crusade against the British press. In previous cases, he accused several tabloids, including the Mirror Group and associated newspapers, of phone hacking, data theft, and privacy violations. He even became the first senior royal in over a century to personally testify in court. His emotional testimony painted a picture of betrayal, heartbreak, and relentless media intrusion. But now, he's going one step further. Insiders claim Harry's newest lawsuit may target both the institution and the establishment that, in his view, stood by and allowed it to happen. In other words, this isn't just about the press. This is about the palace itself. So what exactly is Harry fighting this time? According to reports from royal correspondence and court filings, Prince Harry's legal team is challenging the government's decision to downgrade his personal security during UK visits. Harry argues that as a member of the royal family, his safety, and that of his wife and children, remains at risk, regardless of their royal status. He claims the decision was unfair, unsafe, and politically motivated. The palace, however, maintains that security funding is allocated based on duty, not title. And since Harry stepped back from official royal roles, the same rules apply to him as to any other private citizen. But here's where the tension explodes. Behind closed doors, insiders say this legal push has reopened old wounds between Harry, his brother Prince William, and senior courtiers. William reportedly views the lawsuit as a challenge to the institution itself. And that, royal watchers say, could deepen the royal divide beyond repair. The palace's silence speaks volumes. Officially, Buckingham Palace and Kensington Palace have declined to comment, standard procedure in legal matters involving royals. But insiders whisper of growing frustration. One former palace aide described the mood as icy. According to them, senior officials are frustrated that Harry continues to air internal issues through the courts rather than through family channels. Another insider added, every legal filing feels like another grenade thrown over the palace gates. Behind the smiles at royal engagements, there's a clear message. This isn't just a legal fight. It's a royal showdown. So where does Meghan Markle fit into all this? Sources close to the Sussexes claim Meghan fully supports Harry's legal action, calling it a matter of principle and protection. She reportedly believes this is about ensuring their children's safety and exposing double standards within the institution. However, palace insiders quietly suggest Meghan's influence may be fueling the fight. One commentator said, "This case has Meghan's fingerprint, strategic, passionate, and unrelenting." And once again, the Sussexes find themselves on one side, and the entire royal machine on the other. Legal experts say Harry's chances are uncertain. The courts have already ruled against him once regarding taxpayer-funded police protection. But his new appeal introduces fresh arguments, potentially setting a precedent for future royal security disputes. Media analysts believe the case could redefine the relationship between the monarchy and the state. If Harry wins, it may open the door for more royals, or former royals, to challenge official decisions. If he loses, it could signal the end of his attempts to maintain royal privileges while living an independent life abroad. Either way, the outcome will echo through the walls of Buckingham Palace. Inside royal circles, this legal fight is seen as more than a case, it's a symbol of the rift that refuses to heal. Friends of Prince William reportedly fear this could mark the final nail in the coffin of any reconciliation between the brothers. King Charles, meanwhile, is said to be torn, loving his son, yet weary of the constant conflict. As one palace insider put it, every time Harry goes to court, the crown goes on trial. From the courtroom to the crown, Prince Harry's legal showdown is shaking more than just the system, it's shaking the very foundation of the monarchy itself. Will justice bring peace, or spark another royal war? Only time will tell. For now, one thing is clear. The royal showdown has only just begun.